Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain to you how you can create a time tracker for tasks you create and complete on GanttPro in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project on GanttPro and access also the task you would like to create a time tracker for. So let me go with this project here, and after that select one of these tasks. Let us go with this one here. So click into it here on your Gantt chart to the right, and after that you will see that menu popping up here to the right. So to the very right you will see the log time, and below also the log time button. So you can create a time tracker either by clicking into this button or by accessing the task time tracker in the very bottom left corner. So let us go with this option here to the right first, click into it, and simply create a time log. You can also switch to a timer here and start the timer if you're working on the given task. And there you go, and simply stop when or whenever you stop working on the given task. Or you go with the time log, for example, set an hour here, and also a time of the day, and save it here. And that's basically that's how you create the time log here for a task. But you can also access the task time tracker, as previously mentioned, in the bottom left corner, and simply access the same menu as here to the right. We got the time log, and you can select the task from that search bar here. In this case here, in that case, there won't be no search bar because you have already selected the given task. But here you can select one of these tasks below and assign a time log to the given task, and use these that clock here as well as the calendar, and even leave a comment below and save the time tracker, or as previously mentioned, simply start the timer here, guys, and click into save. That's it. Now if you'd like to check the history of your tasks and the time log, simply access it here, and that's it. For example, if you'd like to track the progress of your team members and how long they've been working on a specific task. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.